Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today I'm going to show you how to opt out of Meta AI on Instagram. Meta is allowing users to opt out of AI training. However, this only applies to data gathered from third parties. In simple terms, it means that you can't remove your Facebook and Instagram data from Meta's AI training dataset, which is pretty concerning. OpenAI lets you opt out of AI training, and so does Google. On top of that, the request will only be honored if you provide evidence that your personal data is being generated by Meta's AI model. This is shady practice by Facebook. It should allow users to opt out of AI model training without any caveats. A user's personal data should not be held hostage by a mega corporation like this. Nevertheless, if you want to remove your personal data which Meta has collected from third-party services and apps, you can follow this video. Open Instagram app and move to your profile. Here, tap on hamburger menu in the top right corner. Scroll down to the bottom and tap on help. After that, tap on help center. Next, tap on about AIs on Instagram. Here, tap on how Meta uses information for generative AI models. Now, scroll down to the bottom and tap on learn more and submit requests here. Now, select one of the suitable options and fill out the form. To make things harder for users to opt out, Meta asks users to enclose proof with screenshots and relevant prompts. You will have to enter a one-time code received on your email address to process the request. Once your request is processed, you will receive an email notifying you whether your request has been honored or not. And that's all. I hope this video helped you guys. For more videos, subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you for watching. See you again.